Hey, how's it going? I'm Professor James, and this is an intro video to my first YouTube channel. I'm going to be uploading videos about math, science, and engineering, with topics up through my master's in engineering. Now, the reason I'm doing this is a little bit of a personal story. When I was studying, I would be sitting in class listening to some professor up at the whiteboard rambling off about some topic, and I'd see the rest of the class just nodding along. I'd feel lost. I wasn't a genius or anything, and I'd have to spend a lot of time studying. You see, I'd go home from class, open up my laptop, and I'd start going over videos from that topic. I'd have to go through rehashings of the lecture, go through example problems, just to understand the material. And so I'm going to be uploading practice problems, course breakdowns, and concepts from different subjects that I learned through my master's in engineering. That way, students who care about learning and need a refresher can just do so. And we'll see how it goes. Honestly, I don't think anyone's going to be binging these videos, but if it has some example problems or walkthroughs that you're interested in, this is the right channel for you. Anyways, this is the studio we're going to be working with, and although I don't think this is going to go viral or anything, I think it'll be fun to look back on myself 2 years from now. If there's a topic that you'd like to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And if these math, science, and engineering videos sound interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Realistically, I don't think anyone's going to see this video other than my roommate. But yeah, please leave a comment, and thank you. I hope you enjoy the channel.